Shalom, everyone. I hope that you're doing fantastic. Happy birthday, happy anniversary. Today is the 6th of November, 2020. It's actually the second time around trying to do a video. I actually deleted the first video. Sometimes that happens with me. If you are new, I wake up with my audience. Welcome. I'm just free in my spirituality, and I love Jehovah Elohim, who is Yeshua, who is just beautiful to us. And anyway, welcome if you stay. Those of you returning, welcome back. Jehovah, what do you want to bring out here? I just thank you for the Son of the living Elohim. I just appreciate you so much. What do you want to bring out here for this message for any given person? So we have the tav, to mark or to sign a signature or to mark a place or something like that. We also have the kaf here, and actually that'd be the sun card. I literally just seen the sun in that reading that just came out. And so this is love and romance stuff. Some people deal with marital issues, or maybe thinking about getting married or something like that. Excuse me, guys. This is a forcible overthrow with the cough, a government or a social order in favor of some type of a new system, but it would be a bright future. If we're talking about the divine, he's got his government that he's setting up, right? And it would be for uprightness sake, people. It really would be. But anyway, we have the Q and the T. Hey, cutie. Maybe you're going to the quick trip today. I'm not sure. But we have the name Cat. And actually, I think this came out the other day. I think it was this combination. I'll re-look it up because I can't remember. Because there's the Tet would also be a T, and I can't remember. But the phonics of Cat had came out, and there was loathing energy there, unfortunately. Unfortunately, guys, that stuff exists, and let us, Jehovah, if there is any loathing or hating, let it be for wickedness' sake. Please help the person who hates. Please help the person to come up higher. Please peel back their heart for uprightness' sake, and give them some circumcision there. And let us get our eyes upon you and you alone. Anyway, we do have contractual things here. We do have the Tet here anyway, with the pictograph of the T itself. Let me look up this word because I don't remember. Yeah, this word only goes to one direction, meaning a ledge, like a gallery, or being on the ledge of something, whatever that means. But I stayed for a second offline to kind of look at a couple other things. There is some type of a meeting or something today taking place for some people, because it was coming out in the first reading, and I was looking at some other combinations with that reading, and so there is some type of meeting or contractual thing. We had contractual things come out yesterday, and it was really huge with the devil energy and stuff like that. So whatever this is for something contractual here. We do have the Sun card, and that is something forced and overthrown or something here. The Sun is the most, brightest card of the deck, right? It should be something beautiful for people. It should be for uprightness, not for pride and ego. But we'll see what comes out here. So what do you want to bring out here about this ledge or this gallery or whatever it is you're bringing out here? What would you like to bring out, please, about this word or this signature or this contractual thing or this judgment or this meeting or this revolution of something when the sun comes up for just any given person? What's out here, please? What do you want to say about it? So we have the Judgment card. Again, this is a meeting. This is a meeting. This is the Resh, the head, the man, the boss, the chief of something. We also have the Magician card, and that's having all that you need to do something here. The Judgment is people coming back around, things coming up from the grave, things that possibly could have been secret or something like that. I'm not sure. We have an awakening happening here. I want to say this is about being able to see something very with keen eyesight. We also have if people are dealing with RA issues, bone issues. I send you love and light. We have a physician here, and we have an R and an A energy out here. And that's real hard energy with the bones. Anyway, we do have communication here and something being blown up from the headship itself, or a forcible overthrow of something from the divine showing up here. This is heavenly stuff. This isn't people. This is as above first, and then you and I have in this realm, we have free will, but there are some things that are sovereign of the divine that he blows up, and for whatever reason why something's taking place here with something just being overturned or bright or communicated. This is somebody who leads a clan as well. We also have the player energy coming out here, or departing from something here with the Knight of Wands coming out for the energy for this reading. Could be something being spoken. If this is somebody coming back around, and somebody's coming back around, there's some type of a sexual, for some people, because this goes back to sex, money, and property stuff with this energy. But it's also headship of something. The boss of something is here. This is creating something and communicating and leading something in having all that you need to get something done, and to speak or depart from something. If this is manipulation, then people need to be careful of somebody trying to come back around to manipulate something here. That's not going to be good for you. You need to really pay attention to your intuition. You don't want no players. And if you are a player, please stop playing, people. Please stop bringing that stuff into the earth, trying to hurt people from your manipulation. Please just stop. What else do you want to bring out here, Yehovah? What's hidden here, please, that we're allowed to know? Just show me what's hidden. Show me about this magician, what's hidden here with this magician card. Thank you. Well, there's a lot. And it just don't look good. Well, we have investments that have been deceptive and emotional and moving away from something here that somebody's invested in. We have secret exchanging going on and decisions and trying to get the balance. We have a deception card coming out, people. Well, then this is manipulation here that's hidden behind this communication. We also have the Queen of Cups here. And apparently if that's a manipulator, then that's a manipulator. And then a backstabbing card. Somebody needs a physician and a hospital. They just do. People, there's somebody coming around that wants to play something here. Why? And it's an age between 25 and 35 for some of you all. There's an age attached to this card. And we do have the word car here in the phonics. Something's backstabbing with some type of communication. This is attached to somebody who leads a clan. However that's working out there. There's secret exchanging going on, people. And there is somebody's strategizing. Somebody's a liar over here, people. Well, and we got the boss here. But I guess if people like to be manipulated for the sex, I guess it doesn't matter to you, I guess. Do what you want. People can do what they want anyway. Shame on you for manipulating somebody's life. We have what's hidden is law here within this. Well, we got the chief of what? The chief of some type of legal thing here. We got law here and the truth as well. And traveling here with this energy. Now, this card just came out with this, and that goes back to fear and a river and somebody pointing something out here with this word. It was Ray or Rye. We also have Rick here with the phonics. We got twice here with that. We also have fortune and energy there. That somebody's blowing the trumpet and coming back around to evaluate something here to balance out the scales. I really hope and pray that it's balanced here and it is really done in truth, because this should be about the truth, people. Because some freak over here is a manipulator, and they're a freaking freak to do that to anybody. There's backstabbing crap over here today. What a freaking shame. Show me what's hidden underneath this Knight of Wands. Show me what's hidden, please, underneath this Knight of Wands, Jehovah. Don't it make you sick, guys? Shouldn't it make you sick? It should. It really should. The name Kay is here, and the name Cat is here. There's also protection energy showing up here as well. We have the husband here, and bosses and physicians. Show me the Knight. Show me the Knight, Jehovah. Nothing wants to come out on this Knight. What's hidden underneath this Knight, please? I command for the truth to come to the surface right here, right now. I command it. This is a departing energy, is what's hidden underneath here. There's death here. Well, and somebody's strategizing over here with this communication, with this physician, with this person who leads clans. They're secretly exchanging. There's decisions over here. Look, we got death here. It's making a decision. There's lies showing up here, and somebody walking away, but yet there's backstabbing death here, people. And law is here around a boss or around somebody from your past. And there's death energies here. Whatever. There's also something public here. in some type of a victory. Give me a second, please. Jehovah, what do you want to bring out about this, please? My God, what is wrong with people? Shh, no talking, it says. Thou shalt not murder is on the other side. Well, somebody's planning to do something today to murder somebody, I guess. We have songs and art and writing and acting, and the angels are here to help. Thank you, Jehovah. Please help the one that somebody is really having a problem in having to murder somebody. Please put this person down. I just ask you right here, right now, that you would go after this enemy and that you would put them down and you would force them to be put down. Please, divine. I ask you, please, Jehovah, what is wrong? What in the world is going on with somebody's mind? My Lord God. Says Jehovah says that someone has been depressed and to go help them. Well, some people know that some people have been in depression and they just, I don't know. Yeah, somebody, look people, so the word is pretty. And this is cunning, skillful, artful trickery here. And there's hidden money attached. I said, well, there's secret exchanging here. This is a sexual card, really, because it's got the 8 there. And we've got physical things going on, either with this Gemini or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Scorpio's here, Sagittarius, and Libra, and Leo is here, and Aries is showing up in this reading. And somebody is exchanging something for a murder today, people. And I guess if you people want to do that, that's your freaking business, if you like to live like that in the earth. My God. Father God, why are you allowing this person to be this way in the earth?